So, if you hear Legally Blonde in the back, it's because I do have Legally Blonde playing. It's one of my favorite movies. Hi guys, welcome back to Sulu Luxe Life. My name is Sulu Luxe, and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoyed the luxuries of life, consider giving this channel a subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell for future notifications. And today's video is a luxury unboxing along with a shoe review. So let's get started. So before I get started, of course, I'm going to tell y'all the crystal of the day, which is flower agate. If I don't put it here, it will be in the description down below. But look at this crystal. Oh, she gorgeous. This is actually one of like the few statement pieces that I have, and I love how neutral it is. I love all the flowers, the crystally effects of it. It's just beautiful, big, bold, just like today's video, because girl, we're gonna get into it. So let me just jump straight to the unboxing. I'm gonna put the mic on my wine glass so it stays close by. So this is how the box comes in. I actually got this for my birthday, and this is actually my first Christian Louboutin. Louboutin like that. I've always wanted red bottoms, and are these the ones that I wanted initially? No, but since the ones that I got sold out, I basically settled for these because I was like, I'm gonna wear red bottoms for my 27th birthday. It comes with one dust bag. Here are the heels, Pigalle Follies, and I also got the soles redid so that it won't scuff. I personally don't like how the scuff sole looks. Kudos to you if you have it. Me, I'm not a fan, so I got those like done. And it does also come with the heel caps. Wear and tear, it's good. Like I've had it about to go into May, so it's almost been a year since I've worn these shoes. So just like I was saying before, I got these as a birthday present from myself to myself, and the original heels I wanted do have a platform on them. I've tried them before and they're comfortable for the most part. Storytime. When I first wore these heels, at first I was okay with them. It didn't really feel that uncomfortable. Then again, I wasn't really standing up when I went out for my birthday. I sat down for most of it. But the second time that I did wear these heels, that was when I really started feeling how uncomfortable it was after, I want to say like 8 hours. I think like 8 hours around there. Because when I tell y'all, while we were bar hopping, these shoes are not created for bar hopping. I literally started like crouch walking. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I was in pain, but I refused to take off these shoes. Although they're beautiful shoes, they look gorgeous on. They are definitely not the type of shoes to go out dancing and be hours and hours. My recommendation for beautiful designer shoes to go out dancing, Manolo Blahnik. I could be in those shoes all day and not get tired. But as for Christian Louboutins, they're gorgeous. When I went to go to Miami for my best friend's birthday, I wore them, took photos in them, and I put on my backup shoes. I'm gonna show you guys some photos. I definitely do want to get a pair in black. The red soles, they're just so beautiful. These shoes clearly were not designed with the intent of wearing them. Even Christian Louboutin himself says his shoes are art. They were not made to be comfortable. They were made to look like a work of art. And I agree, they definitely are a work of art. If I'll insert some, clips now of me modeling. I actually got the most comfortable pairs that you can get. Pigalle Follies are the most comfortable pairs. Like right now I'm comfortable in the shoe, but after a few hours a girl gonna be walking like this. I feel like do your own research. This is my honest like recommendation. Pro, gorgeous. Con, you can't wear them for too long, and if you can, kudos to you. When I'm wearing these shoes, I have to go out with a backup shoe because I want to enjoy the night, and if I know I'm gonna be dancing, I'm definitely bringing backup shoes. But if I know I'm just having dinner, I'm like, yo, I'll thug it out. If you guys did enjoy this video, if you love it, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for future notifications. Until next time, y'all. Deuces.